What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Whoa. So today we got a quick little crazy tutorial of this hair. No, I'm kidding. We have a try on haul for Shein, can never say it. Part, I don't know, because I love them and I'm working with them again. I don't know what number this is. I got 3 new items, and these are going to be perfect for the winter because it's 2 jackets and some shorts that I have on right now. Now, nobody was harmed wearing these outfits for these shorts or this jacket. You will see. The first one here, some super cute biker shorts. Like I said, no animals were harmed during the making of these luscious. Y'all see that jiggle? I see that jiggle. Y'all see that jiggle? I see that jiggle. Shake a little song. But they're super soft, really cute print. I love this print. Oh, and y'all see them gains barking. So they did fit a little bit. They're a little bit loose here on my waist. They did fit a little bit like better here, I guess. Leg day, really, now they fit a little bit tighter. But super cute right up to the belly button. And I kind of have to like pull them up in the back so they stay on. But what y'all think about these, huh? What y'all think about these? I don't know what kind of outfit I'll put together with it yet, but I know we're gonna be cute. Oh, let me just fix this hair real quick. Okay, so this next one I got is just this cute little white crop top hoodie because I have an outfit for it that I want to wear this underneath this jacket. Now this one's just regular like cotton, that's it. It has some little rips up here. And then focus. See, this is what sucks when your girl uses all natural lighting. The sun is not shining right now because it's getting dark a little too early for me. Then I got this jacket. It's like a puff jacket. I think it's so cute. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna wear it like this over here and pop my collar. We gonna holla, pop your collar. So these are my shorts, but I just had to change my shorts for this outfit purpose. Make a beat on here. But what do you guys think about this jacket? I think when I'm outside in the freezing cold, this is going to keep me nice and toasty, but also cute at the same time. You know, we have to be cute. And we have to look, while we're freezing our asses off, we have to look cute. So that was literally the 3 outfits that I have from them. So those are the only 3 that I have. And my hair is just like, do y'all see what I have to go through? Also, new nails, who this? Oh, that's what I forgot I was going to show you. So in the last try on haul video, I realized when I was editing it that I said I was going to show you my new red bag that I got, and I guess I had too much matcha that day, so I did not end up showing you the red bag that I got. So it was in one of the outfits that I wore for that video. So I wanted to show you, oh my god, why is it so dark? Okay, there we go. I wanted to show you the new bag I got. It's from Teddy Blake, New York. My dad's from New York, so I had to support this company. It's so cute. You guys know how I feel about red. So it like literally will just go with any outfit because it's just like it pops. You know what I'm saying? Just me and my little bag. But it's perfect size for your girl because when I have my big bags, then I have my little bags, and this one is, I'm sorry, I know I'm vegan, but this one is real. It's hard guys. When you love fashion, you love style. I know they have 100% vegan products, but I'm getting there. This is my first year. I just love fashion so much. So anyways, it's a little tiny bag. It has a zipper and a pocket. And how cute is this? you guys need to gift somebody with this gift because it's just such a cute item, and you can like literally pair it with so many things. Like, I just think that red pops and stands out. Okay, I need to take this off because it's hot in my house and nobody got time for that right now. So those are the 3 items that I had. A little bit more wintry, a little bit more covering me to make me feel cute but also warm. These shorts, I would still wear these during the winter. I'll just wear like obviously a much warmer top. Like right now I'm really hot. As long as my top is good, I feel like I'm good. As long as I'm, okay, well, careful there. Don't want to get this video taken down. As long as my top's good, then I'm good down below. I just need to be warm up here and my feet. I hate cold feet. That's why you guys saw my new foot dryer that I got. But anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. I love that on Instagram when I tag exactly where I got everything, I still get messages and comments on where did you get that, where did you get that, where'd you get those. I'm like, honey, please let me pray for you. I tagged everything always in the description and the post, codes for you guys to save monies, everything, okay? So I love you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Team T.